Traveling with backpacks can get a little bit complicated if you don't pack well. So we did a lot of research and I decided on packing cubes. So I got a lot of different size cubes, which is important because sometimes you need different size cubes for different things. So we're down to our last few days and I have my last few things. So these are clothes I don't really need anymore that just, I found I overpacked a little bit. I packed some outfits that weren't really a good fit for the weather and whatnot. They worked okay for Switzerland and England. But so I have my pillow here that I might need tonight on the train. So I have it right at the top just in case I need it. And it's a compressible pillow. And then in here, I'm going to put my dirty clothes. So I'm just going to roll them all up and put them in here. And I'll do that later though, so y'all can see that later.
That's more stuffing in.
That's it. No, I'm going to roll. I just said I'm going to roll them all up, but I'll do it later. So you all can see that. I'm going to put the dirty clothes in here and put those on the bottom because I don't need those again. And then this bag is for, we have 2 days in Paris. So I needed 2 full outfits. So I have actually like 3 outfits in here because I have some choices. But I have all of them in here so that when we get to the hotel in Paris, all I have to do is take out this bag. I don't have to completely unpack my bag. None of this will come out. Tonight on the train, though, it's even more important that I don't have to pack a lot because those cabins on the train are like hella small. So
there's only like a few beds.
I have this like really small packing cube. This is an Amazon Basics like mini narrow one. And I am going to squeeze in an outfit for tomorrow. I bought these like fitness pants and I should have brought like 5 pairs of these and just these because the fitness pants that soak up sweat is like so important because it's so hot and we just do so much walking. So I kind of only want to wear those right now. And then brought the shirts this little bit nicer, but pairing it with the fitness pants makes the fitness pants look a lot nicer. I'm going to put some black socks in here to make that look okay. A bra, and I have all my underwear and other socks in here for easy access. And then I'm going to put my pajamas on top. La-di-da-di-da. Carefully rolling fits everything into these packing cubes nicely. Now I have like a tiny little corner
and
to squeeze.
If you don't roll them up, they could get wrinkled, and that's really annoying because we don't have ironing boards.
Sometimes we have an iron, but not always. So yeah, you gotta kind of try to be careful. All right, so I have an outfit and pajamas in here for France and for the train to France. And I'm actually going to stick this on the outside so that I don't even have to open my bag unless I need it for my pillow. So
this one you can live anywhere that's like, we don't need enough stuff.
Yeah.
You can live small.
So now the one that I need for the train is in there and I won't need it. These are for today. We're walking a lot today, so I'm just going to slide my flip-flops in there. Might need them on the train tonight, but maybe not. And yeah, packing with cubes.